Hello guys, in this video we're going to be reviewing some motorbike games. I don't know, we'll do this one as the first game. And I'll just wait for this to download. It's installing. In we go. Alright. So. You see. Hello guys, I downloaded a few games and we're going to review them today. This one, I've actually played a fair bit, so I'm pretty good at it already, but not really. I mean, I'm not the worst at it, but I'll try. We'll just turn the volume of the game down. It's just my dog in the background. But, alright. So, this is game 1. I've played before. And for this, we'll just see if we can do one level. And then I'll just tell you guys what I think of it and what's in the game. Alright, I'm going into this blind. I haven't played this yet. So it's a clips as well. Alright. I reckon we keep trips and stuff. Got a really good sound as well. Sounds good. Really sound. Oh. So sketchy. I don't know if I'm so good to like this. Oh, it's really sketchy, guys. Alright, let's turn the focus. Hey, I just did a real escape. But, yeah, so that's game 1 so far. And I better get into game 2. After I just tell you guys what's in this game, because this is the only game I've played out of the ones that I've downloaded. So there's these MX Factory challenges in this game that just teach you some mechanics in the game that are pretty handy that I've used. And you've got championships that you can compete in. Oh, I'll claim my prize here. Let's see what I got. Alright. So, yeah, that's what I think of this game. It's pretty fun, I like it. And I've spent a lot of time on it. Achievements to claim. They're called MX Factory challenges, but yeah. Pretty sick if you ask me. This next game, alright, it's called Desert Bike. I don't think I've played this one yet. There's ads, I'll just pause it because he says he uses ads. Okay. Straight away there was an ad. We'll do Ultra. What are these shadows? And you can't turn the arrow on. Your bike. this out of 10, I'll probably give it a 3, maybe. 3, maybe 4 if I'm generous. But, I don't know, I'll pause and play this game for a minute, just see what else I can do. Okay, so straight away there was another ad after I've been playing this for like a couple minutes. Hey, restart soon. Yeah, wherever you go off in the air, that's how you stay through the whole jump. Alright, so I think we should go into the next game. I don't really like this one. So, 3 out of 10. 3.5, actually. Yeah, so 3.5 out of 10. Alright, now we're on to the final game. I think it's Monster Supercross or something. I'm not very sure. I think it's something like that, but... Okay. Well, can we skip? I'm gonna pause this so that you don't see all my stuff. It doesn't seem to be working. Guys, I'll just delete it and re-download it and see if it works then. Okay, I've deleted it and re-downloaded it. This game does not work. Look. Yeah, so, I'll download a different game and see. Okay guys, this game has a good review. It's got 5 million downloads and it's 4-star. Okay, into the game we go. Okay. Let's see if this game works. It's not loading. Oh, skip. Alright, let's do this. Okay, let's try this now. Don't even know. I have not played this before. Well, there's the button. Level 1. Alright, let's see what we can do to get the win.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, 100 per hour. Damn, you see. Really fast. Oh yeah. We got him stuff. Okay, that was just an ad. But nice. I don't really know about this game. It's not that bad. But yeah, I think that'll end the video. I'll give this game maybe a 7. It's well done, but not very good graphics. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any games that I should review, leave them in the comments. Thank you very much. Goodbye.